welcome. My name is Lesa, and I am so glad that you are here today. We are making Mocha Oreo no-bake dessert, and I chose no-bake for my Thanksgiving dessert because your oven is always full, right? You have turkey, you have dressing, you have casseroles and pies. So here's a dessert that you don't need your oven to make. You can also make it the day before and alleviate some of the stress for your day of preparations.
The full recipe is linked below, but you will need Oreo cookies, heavy whipping cream, coffee concentrate, cream cheese, powdered sugar, and chocolate chips for this delicious dessert. The original recipe calls for regular Oreos, but I am on a gluten-free diet. That's why I'm using these special gluten-free Oreos. They turned out great, so even if you have diet restrictions, you can still make this decadent and wonderful dessert. Change one thing about this recipe, it would be this crust. I think I would add a couple of tablespoons of butter to these Oreo crumbs. They didn't really stick together like I think they were supposed to. I don't know if that is because they were gluten-free and don't have as much filling in between the two cookies. For this next step, it is most convenient to use a stand mixer. You could also use a handheld mixer, but you will want to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Next, you will add 2 tablespoons of this Java coffee concentrate. I love Java. It is so delicious. I make coffees with this at home all the time. You can get gourmet coffees at home for a fraction of the cost, and I have a link for you and we'll put it down in the description box. You can use any coffee concentrate, but why would you want to do that when Java is the best? Add to the coffee and heavy whipped cream half a cup of powdered sugar and just let your mixer run until firm peaks form in your whipping cream.
This video is also in collaboration with the sweet Rebecca Peakey and Vicky Wright, and they put a great group of YouTube content creators together for this Thanksgiving dessert collaboration. So thank you, Rebecca, and thank you, Vicky, for hosting us. Be sure and go check out their channels. You will love their content, and they are true sweethearts. I will have Rebecca and Vicky's channels linked down below in the description box, as well as the playlist where you can go and watch all the videos with all the Thanksgiving dessert recipes. There is sure to be a wide variety of options and choices, making your Thanksgiving dinner complete with a wonderful dessert.
While your heavy whipping cream is beating, you will want to melt 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips in the microwave. Full instructions on how to do this are in the recipe below. Once your chocolate is melted, add it to a separate bowl with your 8-ounce block of cream cheese and another tablespoon of Java coffee concentrate. Incorporate everything together until it's smooth and creamy, and it is absolutely okay if your mixture has color variations to it. I feel like in life there are bowl scrapers and then there are ones that leave extra ingredients in the bowl. Which one are you? Let me know in the comments because I am clearly a bowl scraper. I want every little bit of that ingredient in my dessert. If you are new here or visiting from one of the other channels, hello and welcome. Again, my name is Lesa and I am so glad that you are all here watching today. I am a stay-at-home wife and mother to 2 older boys, and I love all things homemaking and housekeeping. If that sounds like something that you could use with a dose of positive energy, motivation, and inspiration, then I invite you to stick around and stay a while. In this step, you will take half of your whipped cream mixture and put it into the bowl with your cream cheese. You will blend that gently together and incorporate it. This is going to be the first layer that goes on top of your Oreo crust. You're going to want to carefully scoop out your cream cheese mixture onto your Oreo crust and then gently spread it around. And this is where I realized I should have added butter to that gluten-free Oreo crust because it was very crumbly and moved around a lot. This is where the original recipe called for laying out the whole Oreo on top of your previous layer. I wished I had crumbled it up. It was still really good. It was just a little difficult to cut exactly on the cookies into squares, and I think chunks would be better. Not as fine as the crust was, but just bigger, chunkier pieces of cookie versus the whole entire cookie. We are topping our cookies with the remaining whipped cream mixture. It is so light and fluffy and very delicious. Then we are going to crumble up all of the cookies we have left and sprinkle them over the top, and then chill your dessert for 4 to 6 hours in the refrigerator so it sets up and it'll be ready to serve. no-bake Oreo Mocha dessert was a hit with myself, my husband, and my youngest son. We all three agreed it had just the right hint of coffee flavor mixed with the chocolate. The layers were creamy and rich, but not too heavy. I tell you, I am addicted to this dessert, and I cannot wait till I get to enjoy another piece. Let me know in the comments below if you make this and what you think of it. When you're done watching here, don't forget to go check out Rebecca and Vicky's channel, as well as the playlist linked down below so that you can see what everyone is making for their Thanksgiving desserts. Another big thank you to you, Rebecca and Vicky, for hosting this collaboration.
Thank you again so much for being here and watching today. I hope that you enjoyed this Oreo Mocha no-bake dessert as much as we did. It is tested and tasted and it is delicious. Don't forget that I have a code for my Javi coffee concentrate. It is linked down below. I love Javi. It is absolutely great, and I don't ever promote anything I wouldn't put my own money on. I have ordered Javi coffee concentrate with my own hard-earned dollar. This bottle and a bottle of sugar cookie flavor were sent to me for this collaboration with them, but like I said, I only share things that I am willing to put my own wallet down on the table for. So go check them out and see if there is something you would enjoy drinking from Javi or for making a dessert. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I invite you to hit that subscribe bar and come back for future uploads. I would love to have you here. I hope you have the most wonderful and blessed day, and I look forward to seeing you on here again real soon.